Hello friends, let's solve this mathematics question. So we have here under root 9, take away under root 8 and square it on top of this. So here we can write this as 3 square under root 8. So we got 3 minus, if we split this, we get 2 times 2 times 2, and then that means we get 2 under root 2. So now what we are going to do, we are going to split this 3 as 2 plus 1 minus 2 under root 2. We are going to use here a minus b whole square, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is a, this is b, and this is 2ab. That means under root 2 square minus 2ab plus 1 square. So what we get here, so we get under root 2 minus 1 square. Therefore we got under root 2 minus 1. Value of under root 2 is 1.414 minus 1, or you can simply just write this as your answer, or 0.414. So this can be simplified as under root 2 minus 1 or 0.414. Thanks for watching.